are going to do the another exercise on helping verbs, which is in your book bag, page number 66. Okay. So in the previous videos, we have been learning about the present time and past time. Am I right? So if the sentence belongs to present time, we use helping verbs am, is, are. Suppose if the sentence belongs to past time, then we use which are helping verbs? Yes, was and were are the past time helping verbs only. Okay. So in this exercise, you are going to find out the sentence whether it is belongs to a present time or the past time. Okay. Before doing this exercise, do you want to hear a short story? Yes? Okay, let me give you one small short story. So once there lived a blind man who can't see anything. Okay, he was blind, so he can't see anything. But whenever he go outside, he carried a lighting lamp. He carried a lamp with him always. So the villagers always laughed at him because he is a blind man. He was a blind man. Then how could he carry the lighting lamp with him? Because if he carry the lighting lamp also, that doesn't help him because he can't see. So one day he was having a dinner outside and he was going to his home. On the way to his home, there were a group of young travelers. Okay, there will be young peoples in a group. So they were just passing comments on the blind man, and one man asked the question to the blind man, that is, you are a blind man. Okay, you are a blind man, you can't see anything, then why do you carry a lighting lamp with you? You are a blind man, you can't see anything, and why do you carry a lighting lamp with you? He said, and they started to laugh at him. Okay, because they thought that he was a foolish man because he was carrying a lighting lamp. Okay, so then the blind man he just replied quietly, saying that yes, I am a blind man, I can't see anything, but the young man like you, they may come and push me at night. They couldn't see the blind man coming and they come and push me. So for you guys only, I am carrying a light lamp. I'm just repeating again. He said, yes, I am a blind man and I can't see anything, but the people like you, you will come quickly, and without seeing the blind man coming, you will push me. So that is why for your knowledge only, for your good thing only, I am carrying a lighting lamp, he said. So after hearing this, all these youngsters, all the group of people, they just feel ashamed about themselves, and they just apologize to the blind man. So this is what the story. What do you understand? Yes, whenever if you see someone, no, don't pass comments or don't judge them. Okay, what a foolish thing they are doing. Before knowing their point of view, we should not judge anybody, and we should not say any passing comments which hurt them. Okay, so look before you leap. We know that the proverb, right? So think before you speak. Whatever you speak, no, before think yourself. If you use this sentence, if you are a blind man, if someone is saying like this using these comments on you, you will feel hurt by it, right? So likewise, before you are passing comment on anybody or before you are speaking, think twice and then you speak. Behave like a wise boy. Okay, wise boy or wise girl. So this is the story. I hope you all enjoyed this story. Now let me do the exercise. Okay, so already I said there were a group of sentences on the board. There are 5 questions on the board. Now these sentences are incomplete. You can see these sentences are incomplete without helping verbs. Okay, there are no helping words on each sentence. Now you need to add a helping verb to each sentence. In each sentence you have to find out where to use helping verb. Okay, so shall we start? Yes. So let me read out the first question for you. I working on my science project and hour ago. I working on my science project on an hour ago. It means what? Yes, நான் ஒரு மணி நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி என்னோட சயின்ஸ் ப்ராஜெக்ட்டை வந்து நான் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். சயின்ஸ் ப்ராஜெக்டாக நான் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். So, can you tell me whether this sentence belongs to present or past? Or this sentence is talking about this time, this present time? Is this person is doing the science project now? No. An hour ago, ஒரு மணி நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி he So it has been finished, completed already. So when we are talking about the action which is already happened, already completed, then it belongs to which time? Present or past? Yes, it belongs to past only. So when we are talking about the past sentence, we need to use helping verb was or were only. Okay, we need to use was or were only. So here you have to tell me, for I need to use was or were. Was can be used for the single person. I am writing here. Was can be used for single person, and where can be used for the plural person. So I means it's a single person. Then which verb I need to use? Was only. So where it will come? I walking. So here after there is a main verb. Working is a main verb. So before the main verb only we need to use this helping verb only. So the sentence will become what, children? I was working on my science project an hour ago. Shall I write? Okay. So I am writing the answer. I was working on my science project an hour ago. So this is the sentence, children. See, it is very easy. I was working on my science project an hour ago. So here what I have added? I have added was. That is a helping verb only. Why do I use was here? Because I refers to single person. If we are talking about the single person in the past time, we need to use was only. Remember it. Okay. Let's do the second one. So I am going to read out the second sentence for you. Raghavan working with his father in the garage now. Raghavan working with his father in the garage now. So can you tell me this sentence talking about the present or the past? என்ன சொல்றாங்க? Here I am going to translate for you. ராகவன் அவங்களுடைய அப்பா கூட கரேஜ்ல வந்து இப்போ ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஓகேங்களா? அவங்க இப்போ வந்து கரேஜ்ல ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. So the word now means what? Now means it's talk about the present time only, the current. இப்போங்கிறது current, இப்போ என்ன நடக்கிறதோ that belongs to present only. So this sentence is talking about the present time. So when we are talking about the present time, which helping verbs we need to use? Am, is, are. This three only it helps us to talk about the present time only. Okay. So here we need to use the helping verb for Raghavan only. Here can you find the main verb? Yes, working is a main verb. So before the main verb only we are going to use. So here working is a main verb. Before we need to use here. So here can you tell me Raghavan means singular or plural? Yes, he is a singular. So for singular, which present verb we need to use? So for singular, we will use am, is, are refers to plural. Okay, but am can be used only for the subject I. Okay, so here I can use only is. Is refers to singular person. So the answer will become like Raghavan was working with his father in the garage now. Are you clear? All other sentence will come as it is. Only we are going to add was is only here. Okay. So let me write the answer. Raghavan is working with his father in the garage now. The word now refers to the present time only. So we have used present helping verb. What is the helping verb here? Is only. So is refers to present verb, present time, and it's talk about the single person only. So Raghavan is working with his father in the garage now. Clear? Okay, let's do the third one. See, I planting a tree. I planting a tree. Here the helping verb is missing. You have to find out whether I planting a tree means it's talk about the present or past. Okay, I planting a tree. So now it means that நான் செடி நடுறேன். Okay வா, செடி நடுறேன். So here this refers to what, children? Present value, right? நான் இப்போ செடி நட போறேன். It may become like this value. Okay, so here we need to use the present verb only. So present verb means for I, which present verb I need to use? Am or is or are? Yes, already I said when we are using the subject I, there we need to use am only. Okay, so for I, always the present verb will be am only. So the answer will be like I am planting a tree. This is the correct answer. Clear? I am planting a tree means நான் செடி நட்டுட்டு இருக்கேன். Okay வா, நட்டுட்டு இருக்கேன். Okay, so now let's do the fourth one. So the monkeys jumping tree to tree. The monkeys jumping tree to tree. Okay, so குரங்குகள் வந்து ஒரு மரத்துல இருந்து இன்னொரு மரத்துக்கு தாவி கொண்டிட்டு இருக்கு. Okay, so it means that what? So it was doing before. Okay, not now. Now the monkeys are not jumping, but before the monkeys were jumping from one tree to another tree. I am telling like this value. Then it belongs to present or past? Yes, it belongs to past value because I am not telling you now it is jumping from this tree to that tree. It was jumping from this tree to that tree value. அது வந்து அப்போ குரங்குலாம் வந்து அந்த ட்ரீல இருந்து இன்னொரு ட்ரீக்கு வந்து தாவிட்டு இருந்தது, ஜம்ப் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தது. ஓகே, இருந்தது. So it means the action was already completed. So when it was already completed, which time we are talking about? Yes, past only. So here past means we need to use was for singular noun and were for plural noun. So here the noun will be monkeys only because jumping is a main verb. Before main verb only we are going to use the helping verb. Okay, so here which verb I need to use, was or were? Here monkeys means many monkeys, then it is a plural. Then which verb will come? Were only. So shall I write the answer? So the answer will be what, children? The monkeys were jumping tree to tree. Okay, remember helping verb should use before the main verb which ends with ing. Okay, so I am going to write the answer. The monkeys were jumping tree to tree. Clear, children? Okay, shall we do the last one? Okay, we have come to the last question. The cars racing on the track. The cars racing on the track. So I am telling you the cars racing on the track. Now I can point out and I can tell you like this: the cars racing on the track. And the cars எல்லாமே வந்து அந்த trackல போயிட்டு இருக்கு. So it means the present only. Okay, when we are talking about the present, we need to use am, is, are. The cars means one car or many car? Many cars only. See, s is added, so it means the remaining cars only going on the, it's just moving on the track only. And the car வந்து trackல போயிட்டு இருக்கு, அந்த காருங்கெல்லாம் trackல போயிட்டு இருக்கு. So it means the present only and it is a plural. Then we need to use are only. Where do I need to use are? Before the racing or before the car? Before the racing because it's end with ing. So the answer will be like the cars are racing on the track. Clear, children? So remember that when we are talking about the present time, the thing which is happening now, that we need to use the helping verb am, is, are. Here am is referred to the single person, singular noun, and are refers to the plural noun. Okay, or plural persons. Then if we are talking about the action which has completed already, okay, which has completed already, then that refers to past time only. Past time means we need to use the helping verb was for the singular nouns or singular person, and where for the plural person or plural nouns only. Clear, children? So I hope you are clear with this exercise, and try to make the sentence by using am, is, are and was, where, and do all other exercise by yourself. Already I said this is in your book bag, page number 66, and in 65 exercise, page number 65 exercise we have already completed, but down you can see one more exercise, so try to do it by yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.